start doing, move now. Something that has the potential to change your life. It's a simple but profound truth. One that Walt Disney himself recognized. The best way to get started with something is to quit talking and start doing. I know that you, like so many of us, have dreams, aspirations, and big ideas. You've probably shared them with others, discussed them at length, and thought about them tirelessly. And that's all good. But let's not forget that talk alone won't lead us to where we want to be. And the question is, did you make an action now? Not yet? Consider subscribing to our channel. So here's our roadmap. Step 1, to stop talking. I know it's tough to keep those big ideas to yourself, but there's wisdom in this approach. When fewer people know about your intentions, it becomes so much easier to take that vital first step. Step 2, now start planning. It's time to put your dreams into action. Create a step-by-step process plan. Write down your goals, break them into smaller, manageable tasks, and use tools like Evernote to keep your thoughts organized. Step 3, stones dream without structure are just fantasies. That's where project and process management tools like Microsoft Planner or Casual come in handy. They'll help you track your progress and give you a sense of accomplishment as you tick off each milestone. Step 4, to start doing. The rubber meets the road here. Even with a well thought out plan, it's your effort that will make the difference. Take it step by step, one task at a time. You'll be amazed at the progress you make. Step 5, feel the pace and keep it up. Remember, the success is a journey, not a destination. As you move forward, maintain your momentum. This is just the beginning of something great. In the end, it's not about what you say. It's about what you do. It's those small, consistent actions that add up to significant achievements. You have unique talents, dreams, and aspirations. Don't let them remain in the realm of conversation. There are great advantages to holding this mindset through life. It helps gain control of our emotions. It keeps us feeling in control of our life. It gives us a path forward during any difficulty that arises. It makes sure we don't give away our power in life. We all have the ability to control our own thoughts and actions. We all have the ability to make decisions throughout our life that impact the direction of it. If we take 100 responsibility and it turns out that external factors made the difference in success or failure, we didn't lose anything. Those factors would hurt us either way. At least when we take responsibility, we choose our response to those factors. I challenge you to be a doer, not just a talker. Step out of your comfort zone, embrace the process of planning, setting milestones, and most importantly, doing the work. There will be challenges and there's setbacks along the way. That's the nature of any success in life. But remember, each obstacle is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become stronger. Walt Disney said, the best way to get started is to quit talking and start doing. The world is waiting for your actions, your innovations, and your contributions. It's time to turn your dreams into reality. So shut the fuck up. Stop talking and start doing. Plan, set milestones, and take the first step towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. You can achieve and believe it. Know this: courage, determination, dedication to your goals. You've got this.